Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the part two in this project, which is we need to writing a ASM code program for the benchmarking software. So they are given a question y equals to in braces a multiplied by x power of 3 plus b multiplied by x power of 2 plus cx and plus d. So which is a equals to a value from the member's birthday and also b, c, and d. So we look for our coding right here. So we initialize a equals to 5, b equals to 9, c actually because there will be a syntax error because when we use c, so I change c equals to k and the value is equals to 8. Lastly, d equals to 4 and 5 we initialize, we take example equals to 5 and then we just do the simple coding here, which is we start from the as a user input. So we have a different n value, which is we start from 50, 100, 100, 200, 700, 500, sorry, 500 before that, 700 and 1000. So when we run our program, so we start with 50. So it show the first capture execution time in millisecond before, which is it show before the looping, which is 894. And then the second capture execution time, which is 44,700, which is this calculation after looping, after 50 loops. And then we test for another loop, which is 100. So the for the all loops, the first capture execution time, which is before the loop, will be the same. So 894, and we just put attention on after the loops. So after loop will be 894 double zero. We continue with n equals to 200. So after the loops, we get a 7178800, and we continue with 500 loops, and you see we'll get a 447000, and then we continue with a 700, and this is a value 625800, and lastly we put n equals to 1000. So the value is 894000. So when we put in the uh, our table, so for the each loop we have the before and after, and then we calculate the difference, which is after minus before. So we get all this value. So from the table, we can interpret the more loops run, and then the more time for the CPU spent handling for the board calculation and delays. So that's it for me for part two in this project.